Imagine waking up to sales daily. An AI social media bot promotes content while you live life. Set up for passive income. In this tutorial, I'll guide you to build a beginner-friendly AI automation system. We'll use ChatGPT, Buffer, Canva, and Zapier. Your bot will post globally while you sleep. No tech skills required. Tools you'll need: ChatGPT, your AI content writer; social media scheduler; Buffer, Later, Hootsuite, curates posts on autopilot; Canva, creates images, videos, user-friendly tool; Zapier, connects everything for automation, no coding. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche and monetization plan. Select a niche and a monetization strategy. Successful bots focus on a clear topic. Monetization options: affiliate marketing, promote products via special links for a commission; print-on-demand merchandise, sell items without holding inventory; digital products, sell ebooks, courses, or templates with high profit margins. Combine methods for maximum revenue. Step 2. Plan content strategy with ChatGPT. Consistency is key for growth. Use ChatGPT to generate a content calendar. Prompt ChatGPT for a month's worth of ideas, including hashtags. Balance engaging content with promotional posts using the 80-20 rule. Step 3. Create posts with ChatGPT and Canva. ChatGPT will craft captions and content for each idea. Canva is great for non-designers. Use templates to create visuals. Pair content from ChatGPT with designs seamlessly. Step 4. Schedule posts for automated publishing. Use a scheduler to automate post timings. Connect your social media accounts and load your planned content. Schedule for your audience's peak activity times. Step 5. Enhance with Zapier. Integrate with Zapier for total automation. Set triggers and actions without coding. Content from Google Sheets can be posted automatically. Step 6. Monetization. Transform posts into profit. Incorporate affiliate links naturally. Promote merchandise or digital products effectively within your posts. Use calls to action to drive conversions. Monitor results to identify high-performing posts for optimization. You've built an AI bot for income while you sleep. We covered niche selection, content planning, design, scheduling, and monetization. Time to take action. Set up your bot today. Leave comments if you have questions or want insights on other AI tools. Keep innovating and enjoy income while you rest. Like and subscribe to Digital Cash Empire One today for more tutorials.